Good morning class. Today we will learn how can we convert a decimal number into a binary number. So here we have 17. We divide 17 by 2. For converting a decimal number into a binary number, we divide the number by 2 because the base of the binary number is 2. Okay. Now we divide 17 by 2. We have 8 as quotient and remainder is 1. 2 8 is 16 and remainder is 1. Okay. Next we divide 8 by 2. The remainder is 0. Next 4 by 2. Remainder is 0. Then 2 divided by 2 1 times and the remainder is 0. Now we have 1. We cannot divide 1 by 2. So here we write 0 as a quotient and the remainder part is 1. Now we have this 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 3 times 0 and 1. So now we have divided the decimal number by 2. How we write it? We write it from down to up, bottom to top. Okay. So we write this remainder part from bottom to up. Okay. So we have 1 0 0 1 and base is 2. Here we write a 2 in the at the downside. Why? Because it indicating that it is a binary number. The base of the binary number is 2. Okay. So it is a simple decimal to binary conversion. But what if we have a dot? I mean, if we have a decimal number like 17.35. Okay, here. How can we convert this number to a binary number? Because we know how can we convert a simple digit into a binary number, but what we have a fraction. Okay, so like 17 we can convert decimal to binary as we done in our previous question. So we can simply convert 17 into the binary. But here what happened, we have 0.35. How can we convert it? So in the previous question we divide the digit by 2, but if we have a fraction part then we will multiply it. See how we do it. 0.35 multiplied 2. So what we have? 0.70. 0.70. We just take one digit before the decimal point is 0. So 0.3, when we multiply 0.35 into 2 we have 0.70. Okay. So here whatever comes before the decimal point we write it here. Okay, we write it here like 0.70. We take this 0 and leave the 0.70 for further multiplication. So again we multiplied 0.70 into 2, we have 1.40. Here what we have before decimal point? 1. So we write it here 1. Next we have 0.40 and again we multiplied it by with 2. We have 0.80 and we have 0. We will write 0 here. Next we will multiply whatever left after the decimal point, we will multiply it with 2. Here we have 0.80, we will multiply it with 2. Next we have 1.60, we will take 1 and write it here, and again this 0.60 will multiply it with 2. Next we have 1.20, we write 1 here and take 0.20 here for further multiplication. Now we multiplied 0.20 with 2, we get 0.40. We write 0 here, but we didn't multiply further. Why? Because when you see it, we have 0.40 here and we have 0.40 here. Okay, so this digit 0.40 is repeating. See, we have 0.40 here and we multiplied it with 2. Here again we have 0.40 and when we multiplied it with 2, we will repeat this cycle again. That means again 0.80 multiplied with 2, again 0.60 multiplied with 2. So we will stop it here, because if we do further multiplication we will get the same result again and again. So we will stop it here. Like in a previous question, we write it from bottom to top, but in fraction part we write it from top to bottom. Okay, so whatever come we will write it first, then 0, then 1, then 0, then 1, then 1, then 0. So in fraction part we write 0 1 from top to bottom, and in this part we will write it from bottom to up. In this way we convert the fraction decimal number into a binary number. And when we convert, we write base 2, because base 2 indicating the that it is a binary number. So I repeat the whole process again. If we have a simple number like 17, 18, a full number, we just simply divide it by 2 unless we left with nothing to divide with. Divide and write it from bottom to top. Okay, but if we have fraction part, then we will multiply it with 2 and write the 0 or 1 before the decimal point from top to bottom. And if the decimal part is repeated, like here 0.40 is repeated and 0.40 is here and 0.40 is here and it is repeating, then we stop the multiplication, and this is our binary number, which is equivalent to 17.35. okay.